it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be opening up Glow Addict Beauty Box. So this is a monthly subscription. Actually comes in two different sizes. There's a Glow Addict Beauty Bag, which is $13.99, and this is the box, which is $18.99. It's plus shipping, so I end up paying $21.99. It usually includes about 5 to 7, a mix of full and sample size products. But they didn't include a card, so I basically looked up all the pricing online. If it doesn't match up with what you see, I don't know what to tell you. It's a lash tool and a pair of scissors from Lashybox. I actually got this last month in my Lashybox box. I'm not gonna open this up, but I will leave a dot right there if you do want to see it. And this runs $4.99. Sorme Get a Brow Shapes and Sets Brows. Don't think I've ever used a clear brow gel before. This runs $18.90. Very interesting, very clear. Wow, has a little spoolie. Almost has like the same scent as mascara. I'm gonna yank out my brow gel. Just color it in first, and then I'll use the clear gel after. I think, right? So I got that done. I don't think this works because I have a flyaway that sticks straight up, and this did not put it down. Yeah, I know, I'm back to the raccoon thing. So the next thing we have is Ruby May Summer of Love palette. It's a 15 color eyeshadow palette. This runs $28.50. There is a mirror included. I'm just going to bend that back, and that is the full palette. This is Height, nice brown. Janice. Oop. Janice. Come on, Janice. Lollipop. Ooh, I like Lollipop. Golden Gate. Ashbury. Ooh, Ashbury's a nice color. 1967. This is supposed to be a green, but it's coming across like a black. Peace. Love. Love's there. Flower Child. These colors are super light. And this one's called Light. And of course, light would actually show up. San Francisco. Ooh, that's a pretty lavender, I think. Free Love. Ooh. I don't know how I feel about this palette. Like, the colors are just... Oh, well, there's Free Love. She showed up. Aquarius. Bohemian. Well, Bohemian looks nice. That's a nice color. Sergeant Pepper. There's Sergeant Pepper. So those are the last 5, and these are the top 10. Ooh, look at all those colors. I'm not really impressed with this palette. I mean, all the colors, they're like so light. Oh, Love right there. And I had to build it up quite a bit to get this deep of an effect. I know, and it's not even that deep. And then I went in with a Lollipop. I just did that on one eye so you could see the difference. It's like a lot deeper of a purple. That's without Lollipop. Golden Gate. I actually tried doing this with Janice. I don't know if you can tell the difference. A little bit orange before the purple. But Janice did not show up at all, even with setting spray. She came out a little bit muddy, so I just moved on to Golden Gate. So with the shimmers, I did Sgt. Pepper, Bohemian, and then ended it up with Aquarius. Mr. Eyeliner. And it's basically an eyeliner for all. 30 fun colors. But I only got one. So that's what it looks like. There's a sharpener at the top. That is the pencil. It's a nice black. Ooh. Ooh, it's super soft and waxy, so that's good too. I'm actually gonna sharpen it a little bit more because I want a little bit more control over what it looks like. Well, I can tell you the sharpener works great because that's what it looks like now. This runs $6.99. A pair of lashes, and these are from Candy Lashes, and they're in the style Hot Tamales. I actually just got this in my Lashybox, which I have not tried them yet. So that's actually, I'll put Lashybox right there if you're interested in watching it. And that, and that, and that, lashes looks like. There's the band. They look super full. These were $9. They include glue? No glue, but that's okay. Alright, so I got the lashes on and I absolutely love them. These are like the cutest freaking lashes. There's like a full fan. They're light. I can still see them, but they look so good. They like have the thick band that I can work with. I'm a fan of these lashes. They're like on point. Okay, go candy lashes. I thought it was kind of kitschy with the whole lollipop. Cute, but kitschy. But no, they're good lashes. So I have my face completed. Hopefully. Sorme, if you can read that. It's like really light. I don't know why you would do something like that. And this is a liquid lipstick. It's a non-stop liquid lipstick. And it's in the color, oops, wrong way, OMG. So that is, doesn't look like a bad color. I'm just gonna put it right there. See it? Pinkish red, I think. Okay. Ah, this is a beautiful color. Wow, this is like a really beautiful color. I'm like, wow, I'm a fan of this lipstick. It's not drying. It doesn't seem like it's gonna dry down to a matte, so that's good because I'm not a fan of those. But it looks so pretty. And this one's $17. Wow. I am a fan. I think I'm looking good. Looking good. Looking good. So that was everything included in my Glow Addict Beauty Box. I got a total amount of $85.38 worth of stuff. And I think they look good. Like, I'm not mad at anything. Probably the only thing I'm like not a fan of was the Gimme Brow because it didn't get my one flyaway. So I'm not sure how well that particular product works. But other than that, I'm very, very happy with how I'm looking. If you're interested in subscribing to anything I mentioned, I'll leave a link down below. Have a good one. Bye.